On Maharaja's history and the battles with the Sultan. It's a very relevant book about the history of that particular period. Today we are going to inaugurate the statues of Raika Chak and Raika Sok, who were the brave generals of Maharaja Dhanya Manekya. So this book has the history about that period, not only about Maharaja Dhanya Manekya, but also of Raika Chak and Raika Sok. And it's available on Flipkart and Amazon. So this is the first copy. So if you wish, you can have a look also, and please purchase the book, because we need to encourage our authors, our young people to come up with such books and to have an interest in research on Tripura's history. So Boyar is also a member of the organization that I am the convener or the head of. It's called Indian National Trust for Art and Cultural Intact. I'm in charge of Tripura. So he, along with Sumant Deparma, we're all working along with other students also and other people. Mr. Mewar also is a member. So likewise, we try to do seminars, programs, exhibitions, writing of books. We publish the souvenirs on Maharaja V. Vikram. In fact, we were the first to initiate and celebrate his first birth anniversary. So we've been doing a lot of these things, and this book in particular is being released. And we're happy, but we'll be showing you the book later on. We are trying to bring out 2 books which are going to be introduced in the curriculum of our ADC area. One book is in Kokborok and one is in English. So these will be for students. That's the general history of the Manekya dynasty, along with general knowledge kind of questions and answers. And it will be very interesting and a good start. Today, as we are facing problems, as you all know, regarding Kokborok language, we've had recently the strike and other problems. So this is the right time to give importance to our language. So as a part of this, ATT-ADC has assigned us with this work to bring out publications in Kokborok, as well as, of course, we're doing it in English for general awareness and understanding, and so that it is there for the benefit of all our community and for the state and for other people also who are interested in history. Thank you.